Dum dara mast mast dara dum dara mast mast dara dum dum oh humdum bin tere kya jeena.
Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are great. Happily staying at your home with your family. And today's vlog will be our anniversary celebration vlog. So I wanted to share how we celebrated our 5th anniversary. But first of all, I wanted to thank you, all of you who sent me lots of best wishes on my anniversary day. I have posted pictures on my community tab and I got lots of messages and sweet comments. So thank you so much, all of you.
Happy birthday, Bono baby.
So this anniversary we decided to celebrate it on water. So we hired this boat and it has good space where we can talk and sit, and it also has a little area where we can spend our time and sleep. So we have decided to stay overnight on this boat. So we have also got some of our pillows and blankets with us. So let's see how the things will go, and if we don't feel comfortable we will come back.
Hello, Bono.
So here I am just trying to engage Ashvi with this balloon, and she is quite happy with that. But because it was so windy, I could not tie those balloon or decorate this boat. And we had a plan that we will go to some island and then we will cut cake. But because it was too hot and cake was already melting, we decided that we will cut it as soon as possible. So we just changed it, and the theme is yellow. So we all have dressed in yellow color. Right now we are in the middle of sea and we are about to cut our cake, and let me show you the view around. It was so beautiful. And our anniversary cake, it was designed by one of our Nepalese friend, and it was so beautiful and yummy. Thank you so much, Sony. And if anyone living around wants to order cake from her, do let me know.
Happy 5th anniversary.
Happy 5th anniversary.
Hello, Bono baby.
Hello. Look. Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. खै त पापालाई मम्मालाई मम्मा
Mama.
सबै खाइदियो अर्को काटो त छोरी
Lo, ay.
And then we reached to an island called Vepsa, and we decided to have our dinner there. So we are heading towards the restaurant, and in the way Ashvi is all the times watching and enjoying with birds, and she will be saying all the times lintu lintu, which means birds in Finnish language.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. haunting me so I can't sleep.
Baby,
She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep. Cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005.
So if in case some of you got confused seeing the light around, so in Finland we have like midnight sun. Sometimes like we only have sunset for few hours, like whole night is like shiny, so don't get confused with that. And here we found good location with beautiful view around, so we thought of spending our night here. So here we are trying to keep Ashvi engaged, showing her like birds or things, but we also got her few toys and especially her water book, so that we can keep her engaged.
Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me, why did she go?
Baby,
Whoa, why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me, why did she go?
Now it's next morning, and after having some breakfast, we are heading towards our home. So we just came back from the restaurant nearby. So we are just coming back, and in the way we saw Viking Line, which is one of the biggest ship in Finland. You can search about it in Google. And here we are in the area where we can refill the tank. So it's in the rules that whenever we book the rental van or any car, we need to refill the tank back. So here we are doing that. And you might be seeing me wearing this life jacket in case if I fall in the water, I can be safe, because the water was really deep.
यहाँ बस्छ आश्वी यहाँ बस्छ ठिक छ
finally we reached our final destination, and I would say the trip was really good. Even with little child like Ashvi, we were happy that we could manage everything alone. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye.